Fintel has published what they call the 10 biggest short positions for December, and in this piece they discussed the largest disclosed net short positions held by funds in the market, and one fund stands out. It is Arena Investors. It's, according to them, it's a global asset manager. It has dominated the list this month with some of the largest short positions across the market. Arena Investors LLP has a net short position of $1.029 million in Kavana Co, that is CVNA stock. Short positions are common in the stock with 50.3% of the float currently shorted, according to the data from Nasdaq. The company was reportedly discussing debt restructuring this week with several parties, according to a Bloomberg article, and indeed also with Yahoo Finance. So their gamma short squeeze leaderboard, CVNA stock is up there with a score of 95.16, and it is on the 13th spot. So let's see what's going on the 1 minute live chart for CVNA in this session of the 12th of December 2022. This is 1 minute. This is the closest you can get to what's going on right now with the stock. So right now it's trading at $4.87, and there are a couple of up downward projections. These are short-term downward projections. 4.73 is there, 4.80. This is what is expected of the stock. It's not, I mean, fundamentally not wonderful. Not naturally we expect this to be the case. 4.82, 4.84, 4.85, but there are indeed other upward projections as well. So it's a balanced projection here. My balanced mix of projections here: 4.88, 4.91, and 4.98. This is the 1 minute live chart. So let's look at the daily chart for CVNA and see what the projections are there. Okay, there's actually more upward projection for CVNA here on using trading view. So we have the topmost here 69.61, but a few months ago, about close to a month or more than a month ago, we predicted that we had a statistical determination that it's going to remain below this price. It's going to remain below $41 and some fraction. There's a very high likelihood of that being the case, and that has been the case. It has, since that time, it has continued to retrace downwards. I mean, naturally expected. But the interesting thing, as I've always been saying, is that it's facing these challenges, this fundamental challenge, and also it has this short interest. So it's a good mix of things. So the next stock on that list is, as it concerns Arena LP and Arena and Investors LP, is MicroStrategy. They are saying here that it has a net short position of $1.309 million. MicroStrategy comprised of put options. Okay, the stock holds a large amount of Bitcoin as a long-term investment, which impacts the momentum of the stock depending on the price of the cryptocurrency. So MicroStrategy MSTR is heavily shorted with 39.5% of the float currently short, according to the data from Nasdaq. The stock features near the top of Fintel's short squeeze leaderboard in 6th position with a score of 95.76. So Arena Investors, yes, they have their short position is worth $1.309 million. So let's see what's going on with MSTR. MSTR down 4%. Let's see what's going on here on trading view. Let's see what's there. This is the 1 minute daily chart. Okay, there indeed actually there's more downward projection, and upper projection is at 212.28 and 296.55, but downward projections all the way down to $74.52. Before that there is 105.91. So there's an expectation of more downward movement for MSTR. So it's currently trading at $194.94. Is there any other news concerning MSTR? There isn't any. And let's get the volume, 195,117. So nothing much has gone through for MSTR in this session. So the next one on that list is Bed Bath and Beyond. Let's see what they have down there. So it says Arena Investors LLP has a net short position of 2.064 million shares in retailer Bed Bath and Beyond BBBY stock. The stock is quite popular among shorters, with around 31% of the floats currently shorted. The stock is trading 79%, a negative 79% over 2022, but has experienced several short squeezes driven by retail investors. And BBBY stock ranks in its 12th spot on their gamma squeeze leaderboard with a score of 95.18.3. Okay, let's see what's going on with BBBY and in this session. It's down 1.62%, trading at $3.03. Any news concerning BBBY? No news. Volume is 5.462. Let's look at the daily chart on TradingView and see what the projections look like. Yes. Okay, actually, as a matter of fact, there are actually more upward projections for BBBY, I think, on this daily chart. $2.98, 2.98 and 7.22. Let's look at the 1 minute live chart and see what's going on there. So there actually is more upward projections on this 1 minute live chart for BBBY 3.13. Where is it trading at right now? Trading at 3.03. So that's not so far away from where it is. Let's return again to that daily chart and see what we have there. I think we have we implemented a different Fibonacci tool here. That's why we're getting okay. But in any case, upward projection. There's more upward projection here. 7.22. No, there's no guarantee any of those will happen. 9.72. But we know indeed that yes, like as they indicated, it has had a couple of short squeezes of late. Okay, so the next one is BYND. BYND. Let's see what's going on down there. Yes, the BYND. But Beyond Meat Inc. Currently has the largest net short position from Arena Investors LP with a net short value of $4.061 from put positions and held for the stock. BYND is heavily shorted stock, around 42% of the float currently shorted according to Nasdaq data. The stock is currently 55th on the short squeeze leaderboard with a score of 88.99. Okay, BYND is targeted to become cash flow positive in the second quarter of 2023 and recently announced plans to reduce its workforce by around 19% in a push for profitability. So let's see what's BYND here. BYND down 1.68% with a volume of 1.015 shares having crossed the tape. So let's see what the projections are for BYND. Okay, this is the daily chart. Some downward projections. We have one here, 13.56, 12.12, 8.65, and then upward projections we have up here 21.36. That's the most on this on the projection so far on TradingView. 21.36. There's no guarantee any of those will happen before that 21.36. There is 17.89. So it's currently trading at 14.6, roughly some $14.62. So Arena Investors LP is the biggest shorter of these stocks: CVNA MSTR BBBY stock, BYND. Okay, just see what you make of this. You'll see the link to that piece in the description box below, and thank you very much for watching this video.